Hi, this is Janet, and I wanted to show you how to fold the lantern template. So after you've cut it on your Cricut and removed it, be very careful when you remove it because there's a lot of fine detail in here. And then I don't know if you can see some score lines or not, but what I'm going to do is just follow along those score lines and make sure everything is folded in. And all of the folds go the same direction, so you're folding up and towards the same direction. Hopefully that makes sense. These little ones in the middle can be a little bit more tricky. Take your time to get the folds correct. Alright, and then go ahead and flatten it out and you'll be ready to adhere your screen. I'm using tissue paper. You could use whatever, rice paper, vellum, whatever. You just cut it to size and glue it down before you fold up. So once that's done, I will come back and show you the rest. Okay, so I have put my tracing paper or tissue paper in place and glued it down, and now I'm going to start gluing the top. So remember, we have folded down all the edges, and I'm just going to start working around putting a thin layer of glue and attaching those pieces together. And if you'd like, you can use a binder clip to help hold those together as you work. So just make sure that you have it lined up how you want it, and then continue on to the next. And we're just going to work our way around the paper. Now this lantern is open on the bottom, and that way you can insert your battery operated candle. And then we can also reach in and remove those binder clips. All right, down to the last one for the top. And then I'm going to glue along the side here, and that's all that is needed to seal this shut. I'm just going to hold that in place for a few seconds to make sure it's attached well. And that's it. Now the bottom folds up, and the lid then can sit like so, or You can cut it off entirely if you want it just to sit on top of your lamp. So I hope this folding tutorial was helpful to show you how to use this template.